guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trisha Gharai and I make fashion and beauty content. So first of all, I want to wish all of y'all a happy new year, and I hope your new year got off to a great start. So before we get into the video, I have a very important thing to address. Thank you so much for sharing so much love on my last video. We crossed 2k views and that is huge, and we also reached 100 subscribers on the channel. And thank you so much for visiting my channel, subscribing to me. To all you lovely people who watch my video and comment on a daily basis, thank you guys. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Okay, now let's get into the video. Okay, so you guessed by the title, this video is all about taking self-portraits and what is the process that goes on for me. So a little backstory for all of y'all who have no clue about my life. So basically, I'm a student at NIF Mumbai and I'm currently pursuing fashion communication and I'm in my third year. So in the past semesters, I have had photography as a subject. So I've not only practiced photography, but because of my content creation that I've been doing simultaneously, I've had to take my own photographs and I've had to take my own videos because I don't have anyone else to assist me. And taking your own photographs is not as easy as it sounds. And if you want a proper photo shoot and you want everything perfect in it, it takes a lot of planning. So I'm going to walk you through my thought process and basically tell you what goes on in my mind and what all steps I take, what all plans I make before I actually do a photo shoot. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. As a creator, my main aim is to conceptualize my vision. So for that, I come up with references, I take up inspiration on the net, on Pinterest, on different platforms, and I also reference previous works and other works that the artists have done. After that, I create vision boards, mood boards, look boards, and other references so that before I move on to making the project, I actually have a vision of what my entire photo shoot is going to look like. I then plan all my poses and I plan the basic things that I will require for the photo shoot. And that's my work as a creator. As a stylist, it's my work to come up with the looks according to the theme or the concept. So essentially what I do is come up with a bunch of different looks and different outfits, and I accessorize them. I come up with the makeup, the hair, the footwear, the accessories, everything beforehand, and then I finally do a mock photo shoot without any of the makeup. And I use my phone and I use a self timer to record myself and to see how the outfits look on camera, because that is the most important thing. After I go through the looks, I pick the number of looks that are needed and essentially just make sure that they all vibe with each other and they give me the same feel as I get in my mood board. And that is my work as a stylist. As a set designer, my first work is to decide whether the backdrop in the images is going to be very neutral, is it going to be plain, or is it going to be something very detailed. Since the focus of this shoot is primarily the model and the clothing and the styling, so we are going to keep the background very neutral and something that doesn't shift the focus from the model to the background. So for this, I roll up a very neutral carpet that does not draw attention away at all. And then we add some drapes for character because we want to add some kind of depth in the picture since these pictures are shot indoor. Once it's all set up, I make sure to take a picture to see if the entire background is neutral, if it's clean and if it's beautiful. So that is our aim as a set designer. As a photographer, the first thing that I do is to make sure that the lighting is proper and that it falls properly on the background and that there's no reflection or any other kind of problem. So since I take self-portraits, I always put the camera on a timer and then I take my own pictures. So if you are a beginner and you're not quite sure how to adjust the camera's settings, so you can always use the auto mode. However, I do the adjustments on my own. So since I always do an indoor shoot, make sure that the lighting is very good and I use a big aperture and I set the ISO in a way that completely and properly balances the picture. After I make all of the adjustments, I take a few mock pictures to make sure that the angles are correct and the background and the lighting are absolutely fine. I then set the camera on a self timer, I focus the spot where I'm going to be standing and I go and take the pictures. So that is my work as a photographer and as a model. So that's all for today. Thanks for sticking till the end and watching the entire video. If you have any New Year resolutions, please drop them down in the comments. I would love to read them. My New Year resolution is to be more consistent on YouTube, so let's see how that goes. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to get notified every time I drop a new video. Also, go like this video. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. You can follow me there. I post a lot of fashion content there, that too on a regular basis. If you have any video suggestions, drop them down in the comments. I would love to do that for you, and please keep showering as much love as you have in my previous video. That would be amazing. So thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.